Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You'll start by getting the basics right. Charge the watch to at least 50% so updates finish without interruption, and power it on. Next, install the companion app on your phone and enable Bluetooth and location. This links devices and syncs data. Create or sign into an account, then enter your profile, height, weight, birthday, so the tracker calculates calories and distance accurately. Once done, make sure firmware updates are allowed. They often add stability and sensor calibration improvements. Pair the watch through the app now. Open pairing, pick the device ID, and confirm the pairing code shown on both screens. Once paired, calibrate sensors by entering your step length and choosing your dominant wrist so steps and pace read correctly. Set daily goals for steps, active minutes, or calories. These direct how the tracker nudges you. Customize the watch face and notification preferences and set Do Not Disturb hours. These changes make the device useful without being intrusive during sleep or meetings. Begin workouts from the activity menu, choose walk, run, or cycle, and if outdoors, wait for a GPS lock to improve accuracy. During exercise, glance at heart rate and pace, but focus on consistent effort. After finishing, sync with the app to store details and review trends. Look at weekly summaries to adjust targets. If readings look off, restart the watch, repair to your phone, and check for firmware updates. This sequence fixes most sensor and connectivity issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.